Hey guys, Gaurav here and welcome once again. And today I want to tell you about the story which was in 2012. I had just finished my college. I had I think I had four Clickbank review sites doing $2,000, $3,000 per month, and it was a huge income for a person living in India just out of college. And then something happened. I lost all my income overnight. I had lost 90% of my business, and then I decided how I can build a long-term and sustainable business model. And this story and this tutorial is about that. So this is one of my Clickbank review site. I used to find products, and I used to create free blogs, free blogspot blogs around these Clickbank reviews, and I used to rank them on Google. I used to do everything manually, building my backlinks, creating content, posting on forums, posting on article directories. There was a lot of hard work, but I had no money then. I was just a kid. I didn't even have a bank account. I didn't even have a credit card. So it was really, really tough. But somehow I was able to make it work after a lot of struggle, and I was making $2,000 to $3,000 per month in passive income. And then just something worse happened, and Google Panda, they wiped off all my blog, and I was devastated. I was very sad, and I had lost all my income. I had nothing to show to my parents, like why I have been working so hard, and why I have got so less results during my academics. And then I decided I need to change something in my business. I need to see long term. I want to build a business that could be sustainable in the long term. And then I started building an email list. Okay, I started building my email list, and I started with Warrior Forum. You can check one of my previous video where I show you how you can make money with Warrior Forum. So I started with Warrior Forum. I started building my list with free WSOs, Facebook ads, and then again something worse happened, and all my websites, all my all my blogs, they were hacked. All my hosting were deleted. I had lost all my web properties online, but thankfully I still had my email list, and I was still able to make money, and I was still able to bring money on the table for my family and for myself. But again, the problem was the email marketing scene. It was becoming difficult. The open rates were going down, and a lot of competition was there, and we needed to stand out. So my email marketing results, they also started going a little lower. The amount of money I used to make with a 5,000 list in 2014 or 2015 was way more than what I am able to make now, and it's honestly. But recently I have been trying to make changes to my business, so I can make a unshakable business for myself. And this is what I'm striving for, and this is what I want to build. I want to build an unshakable business which is long-term, which is consistent, and which is reliable. I want you guys to do the same, and I want to help you to do the same. I want you to build an unshakable business for yourself, and this is what I stand for right now, and this is what I am working towards. So how do we build that? So it's very, very important that in today's world you have a following, you have an authority, and you need to have more than one connection point. Earlier, if you had just an email list, that would work, but now you need to have an email list. You should be able to connect to your audience on different platforms. You should have an email list, maybe a Facebook group, just like I have a Facebook group here. So I have been inactive, but I am going to be very active from right now. You can have an YouTube channel, and you can have Instagram, you can have Facebook, both messengers. So you need to make sure that you have multi-channel connection points where you can reach to your audience from multiple channels. And so this is one of my email lists. I have 22,889 people here, and this is my another email account where I have 23,545 email subscribers, and in this account I have 37,884 subscribers, and I have two other accounts which have like 4,000 and 6,000 subscribers. So this is the main core of my business, and I had used my email list to build a Facebook group, so I can increase my visibility overall, which is Affiliate Boss Club, and I have around 7,875 members here, and which is going to grow in the coming days because I'm going to promote it more frequently and more aggressively. And again, I started a YouTube channel I started doing it seriously just maybe 2 weeks back, but I'm again seeing pretty good results because I got 932 views on a video that I built few days back, and I'm going to put this video on the channel as well and see how it goes. So I want to grow all this channel together: my email marketing channel, my Facebook channel, my Facebook group channel, my YouTube channel, my retargeting list. And yesterday I mailed my email list. I mailed around 20,000 people from my email list, and I made around $369 in affiliate commissions. How great is that? You have an email list, and whenever you want to make money, you just need to mail these guys, and you can even promote on your Facebook groups, on your YouTube channel. And so we are working towards building an unshakable business, and which is run by you, and you are the business. You are the business. All these funnels, all these email lists, all these products you promote, they will come, they will go, but what is going to remain there is you. So you need to build yourself. You need to build the authority. You need to build your following. You need to create a personality that people love, that people listen to, and that people trust. Okay, and that's what I'm trying to be working here right now. So as you can see, I made $369 in affiliate commission yesterday, and in my JVZOO, you see I have $261,000, $892 just in affiliate commissions. And these are the few products that I had promoted to my email list, to my email subscribers, and that's only because I have built a relationship with them. I have been able to build an authority in front of them, and that's the reason that why I'm able to make these kind of sales and commissions from my promos. So you can see there are 223 sales for a product from Kevin Fahey, 156 sales, $3,000 in commission, $1,732 in commissions. So this is just one part of my business, which is affiliate marketing to my email list. And again, I do a lot of product launches, and I have been promoting other people's offers, as you can see, and I have been able to build a relationship with a lot of vendors. So whenever they are launching any product, and if I think that their product is really good and they can really help my subscribers, I promote them, and they see me as an good marketer who can help them. So they also help me during my launches. So one of my recent launch, SMS bot, we did $126,000 in just 7 days, and one of my other launches did $163,000, $163,000 in just a period of 7 days. So what I'm trying to show you is it's very, very important to build yourself. It's very important to build a following. It's very important to come across as an authority in your niche, and when you do that, you will be able to build an unshakable business for yourself, which doesn't matter what happens. Doesn't matter if Google ban you, it doesn't matter if Facebook bans you, it doesn't matter whatever happens, but you will always have a tribe, you will always have your followers, and will always have your uh, you will always have you. Okay, so you might say that Gaurav, it's been easy for you. You have been doing it for years now that you have built a huge list. So to tell you guys, even I started from zero. When I started, I had zero people on my list. I had zero friends. I had zero money. So even if you are at zero, you need to get started now. And one of the best ways to get started is I had created a case study that's really helpful, and the link will be like garbara.com/10k case study. So make sure that you go through this. This is one of the case study where I show how I made $10,000 in commissions and generated 6,424 leads with one of my campaign, and these leads, they still bring me affiliate commissions. So go through this. There are 3 videos, and if you're just getting started, they will really help you to get started with list building and email marketing. And that's it for the video. I hope that you really liked it, and in case you liked it, please give me a like. And if you're watching it on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with other videos soon. Thank you so much for watching.